Hello, my friend. Welcome to Speaking First English, the place where you learn real English slowly, simply, and confidently. Here, we keep it simple and we help you be fluent step by step. In today's lesson, we're going to practice daily English, shadowing, and confidence, all in slow, easy English. I will speak clearly, gently, and naturally. You can listen, repeat, and shadow my voice. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Let's begin. Today, we talk about something very important: how to improve your English every single day. Even when you are busy, tired, or not motivated, many learners think they need big study plans, perfect grammar, long lessons, or native speakers around them. You don't need any of that. You only need 15 minutes a day, and you need small steps that you can repeat. Here at Speaking First English, this is our rule: keep it simple, be fluent. So today, we will do that together. Part 2, Shadowing Practice. I will say a sentence slowly. You repeat after me. Ready? I want to speak English confidently. I practice English a little every day. Small steps help me improve. Good. This is shadowing, copying the rhythm, tone, and sound of English. Don't worry about mistakes. Just follow my voice. The 15-minute method, Speaking First English method. Here is the simple routine we teach in this channel. It's easy, it's realistic. You can do it anywhere. Listen. You listen to slow English like this video. You don't need to understand everything. Just relax and listen. Shadow me. I listen to English every day. You copy the voice. You repeat the sentences with me. Shadowing makes me speak better. Next, think in English. You say small thoughts in your mind. Here are examples. It is morning. I am tired. I need coffee. The sky is blue. I am working. I want to improve. Repeat after me. One small thought at a time. Next, speak out loud. Even 1 minute of speaking helps. Shadow, I am learning English every day. I can speak more clearly. Next step, review your day. You talk about your simple daily routine. I will help you. Repeat. I woke up. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I studied English. This builds real fluency. Next step, story shadowing. Topic: A simple English day. Now I will tell you a short story in slow English. Listen first, then shadow. Today is a simple day. I wake up early. The sun is soft and warm. I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. It smells good. I sit down and open my phone. I start my day with English. I watch a short video from Speaking First English. The sentences are slow and simple. I repeat them softly. After that, I get ready for work. I walk outside and feel the cool air. On the bus, I listen to a short English story. I don't understand every word, but that's okay. I keep listening. In the afternoon, I take a short break. I read a simple English sentence. I repeat it. I smile because I am improving. At night, I write 3 sentences about my day. It takes only 2 minutes. Then I relax and go to sleep. It is a small day, but small days make big progress. Repeat after me. I will read the story again. You shadow each sentence. Today is a simple day. I wake up early. I take a deep breath. I start my day with English. I repeat slow sentences. I listen during the day. I speak a little. I write a short diary. I am improving every day. Beautiful. Final message. My friend, remember this. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is not talent. Fluency is not luck. Fluency is daily practice, small steps, simple English, a little every day. At Speaking First English, we learn slowly, clearly, and naturally. Keep it simple. Be fluent. I'm proud of you. See you in the next lesson.